remember this. I am here because I love my country and I love the Filipino people. At sinabi ko sa inyo noon, huwag na magka-diferensya tayo. Kunting bagay, okay lang sa akin. Either I apologize or kayo. Pero sabi ko, wag lang ang bayan. Kasi pag bayan na, wala na tayong pinag-usapan with the country. Now, if I do not make it to the finish line at the end of my term, malawak pa yan eh. It's yung swerte ng tao, it's ordained by destiny. And if my destiny says that hanggang dyan lang ako,